In today's video, I'll show you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox Mobile. Yes, it's totally possible. Step 1. Open Roblox and go to Avatar. First, open your Roblox app on your mobile. Tap on the avatar icon at the bottom. You'll see your current outfit and accessories. Now, choose the hair you already have equipped. That's your first hair. Step 2. Copy the hair ID. Now, we'll add another hair. To do that, go to Roblox Catalog or Avatar Shop. Search for the hair you want to add. Once you open it, copy the numbers from the link, the hair ID. That's important for later. Tip: if you can't copy links directly, open Roblox in your mobile browser for this step. Step 3. Use advanced options. Go back to your avatar editor, scroll down, and tap on Advanced under Accessories. Here, you'll see boxes for different items. Paste the hair ID in one of these boxes. You can add up to 10 different hairs using their IDs. Once done, click Save. Step 4. Check your avatar. Now refresh your avatar and check it out. You'll see all your selected hairs combined, giving your Roblox character a unique, layered hairstyle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who love Roblox styling.